Hello, hi, Pallavi.
Hello.
How's it going?
I'm scared. Ask away.
Why? Why are you scared?
I don't know. You have some papers in your hand and all.
Okay.
I mean, let me see it.
So yeah, there's some questions that have been coming in
Mm.
that your fans
Mm.
have been very curious about.
Mm.
So let's hope they get their answers. Let's start with cinema well-wisher. Apart from acting, one thing that Sai Pallavi is passionate about.
Okay. Recently, I started beekeeping. So I,
Oh, wow.
yeah. I'm still not very good at it. I get stung a little, but then, yeah, beekeeping.
Guys, one little insight. She's really passionate about bun muska. And she's very passionate about
Okay, so
coconut water. And she's very passionate about going to sleep at what? 9:30?
Nine.
9,
Yeah.
9 o'clock. Yeah.
I can sleep anywhere at
Some
9.
insights. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the just_Jash wants to know that sunscreen product name?
Heliocare. It's an orange cap one. Heliocare.
Okay, so that is the secret to Sai Pallavi's-
Nothing. I don't use it. Please, I rarely put it on, and when I remember, I put it on. Otherwise, it's just moisturizer.
Sumant, this
Mm.
question even I've asked you many times.
Mm.
It's interesting that even the people want to know. Are there any chances of Sai Pallavi directing a film?
Did you write it? Did you post it in
No.
one of those accounts?
You can check on Twitter. Sumant has asked.
No. No.
No, that's lies. That is lies. I am telling you. If, Sumant, we had a conversation. I asked Sai Pallavi the same thing, and she said she would love to direct. Not love to direct. I think
I said
I might
no.
direct one day, and she promised to
And-
cast
oh.
me as well.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yeah, that I did. I remember.
Fairy_Queen97 wants to know if you could have dinner with any fictional character, who would it be?
Fictional.
Yeah, fictional.
Not one, but I always liked Simpsons. Maybe the whole family of Simpsons.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Kalyan7781. What was your first reaction when you saw Chayana's dance in Namo Namah Shivaya song?
I think he really killed it. I'm honest. The previous time I at least saw some sort of, you were holding back, but when it was Namo Nama, I could just see you go all out. You went Shiva 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 Shiva.
Thank you. Sailaja38. How did Sai Pallavi find the dialect of Srikakulam? Did she try any local cuisine? How did she approach the role?
The dialect was very difficult because I had already learnt Telangana slang quite well, and it was difficult for me to crack that, but it was worth it.
This is your question. I don't think someone wrote this on Twitter. What is the biggest lie Che had said to you in the sets, on the sets?
Okay, so Chaitanya keeps going everywhere, and he says that, Pallavi, she calls me, and it's so nice that she tells me that you should do this in this scene, the scenes where I was not there. But the problem is, he just heard me. He didn't even take the damn input. We'll speak about it. Why are you looking that way?
I don't remember this at all.
Don't
I
make
don't
me.
remember this.
What? Don't roll this.
Lakshma 13907999. What does she do in her free time, and how does she handle tough situations?
Free time. I just like being to myself, alone. I watch movies.
Yes.
I can't say I cook. I wish I could, but I order and that's all. I go to Totem and there's a lot of agriculture work happening. So I pick carrots and potatoes. Most of the time it's passion fruit.
Oh wow.
So
okay.
yeah, so it's nice. Just this.
Wow. Okay. And WhatsApp stickers, Vartara. What's your favorite sticker?
The monkey. The monkey that goes this way and this way.
Wow. అబ్బాయిలు ఎలా డ్రెస్ అయితే మీకు నచ్చుతారు ఆల్ బాయ్స్
That I don't know, but I like their clothes to be ironed. Iron చేయకుండా crushed అయి ఉంటే I feel like, because I really iron my whole family, everybody comes to me to iron the clothes, so it's like an immediate reflex. Iron cheyaledu mi battal. I wish I could just straighten it out. So yeah, iron clothes, whichever, whatever,
Okay,
formals or casuals.
అబ్బాయిలు వింటున్నారా? If you're going to meet Sai Pallavi, please get those clothes pressed, dry cleaning, double steam,
ఒక్క నిమిషం అంత
iron.
నేను చెప్పలేదు. I said
and then say hi. Until
okay,
then,
fine,
you don't
all
stand
right.
a chance.
అయిపోయింది కదా, అయిపోయింది. So as promised, I am interviewing Shri Yuv Samrat Nag Chaitanya. Ta, 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 ta.
Thank you to
And-
our lady superstar Sai Pallavi. I'm
Okay, that
blessed
isn't cool.
that you are shooting me and
Cinematographer
I'm in your
says cut. Okay, so now I have few questions for you. Few are from me and few are from Twitter. Okay, Tandale seems to be too personal to you. Why?
Tandale is very personal to me because
ఒక నిమిషం. No saying something that నాకు కథ చాలా నచ్చింది జనాల కోసం for my fans, nothing like that. From your heart, why does this film feel extra personal? Because I can see that you're going out of your way to promote, doing extra reels and all that. I've not seen you do this for other films. So,
please, I
Dan.
have done it for other
Dan.
films. But this is special because yeah, it's a true story. I'm being very honest. It's a true story.
Okay.
True characters. That's one thing. And of course, I want a hit.
Okay.
As an actor, I'm craving right now for a nice film, for a good hit. And it's been almost 2 years since I've had a release.
Okay.
Okay, you had how many releases?
It-
And how many films
One.
have you shot for? How many
One.
films have you shot for these 2 years?
No,
you've shot
I
for 3
understand.
or 4
Okay,
films.
wait. This is an honest answer. So, okay, I give it to you.
Yeah.
Budget lo boys skincare tips చెప్పండి.
బడ్జెట్లో బాయ్ స్కిన్ కేర్ టిప్సా?
Ah.
హ్యాపీగా ఉండు బ్రదర్. ఆడపిల్లల్ని ఏడిపిమాకండి. స్కిన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా గ్లో అవుతుంది.
నమ్మకండి. చాండ్లర్ 999999
Okay.
యాక్టింగ్ ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకుంటావు?
ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకుంటావేంటి? ఐ థింక్ ఆనెస్ట్లీ ఇట్స్ అ కంటిన్యూస్ ప్రాసెస్. You know, it's something you keep learning over time, and I don't think you can ever hit a full stop with it. If you hit a full stop with it and you stop growing as an actor, then there's no more future. You can't progress. So Chandler, I still haven't learned. I'm continuing to learn every single day.
Okay, look at that. How does Che imagine himself as a fisherman? He suits for rich kid kind of roles. I was surprised to see a fair boy playing a Srikakulam fisherman's role.
I think అదే కదా, job of an actor is to transform into a role and to try and push yourself and challenge yourself to do roles that are very far away from your actual reality. So yeah, how do I see myself as a fisherman? That you guys have to sort of score me after the film releases.
Okay. How challenging was it to shoot on water, and what were some memorable experiences during filming?
Very challenging to shoot on water, especially, you know, the tides were continuously changing, so it was challenging. Memorable instant was when we were shooting in Kerala. The Kerala Navy came and sort of arrested us.
When did this happen? I was in Kerala. What the hell?
Yeah.
You guys did so many fun things.
Yeah, they took Sham sir to the Navy police office and all that. It was crazy. It was quite a dramatic incident.
When can we expect Che Anna in a negative role?
When you direct a film, Sai Pallavi.
Okay, I'm blushing behind the camera, but okay. మీ కెరియర్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఛాలెంజింగ్ డైలాగ్? పర్లే
ఆనెస్ట్గా చెప్పాలంటే మన సినిమా తండేల్ నుంచి ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంటుంది శ్రీకాకుళం యాస గురించి. It's actually very well written. It talks about the importance of languages, dialects over lands. So ఆ డైలాగ్ నాకు చాలా బాగా ఇష్టం తండేల్ సినిమా నుంచి.
ఓ దట్ సీన్,
యాస
The one.
గురించి మాట్లాడతా. యాస,
yeah, correct.
భాష.
that soda scene, the kid soda.
Yes, soda
yes.
scene.
This is again ఏం బూతులు చెప్తారు, like what are the bad words you use?
Me?
Yeah.
నాకు బ్యాడ్ వర్డ్స్
ఏ అబ్బా please. నేనున్నాను కెమెరా అంత ఉందా? ఓకే, డ్రీమ్ కార్ దట్ యుడ్ లైక్ టు ఓన్.
Koenigsegg.
I'll go Google. Some fear that you've overcome.
Dancing with you.
Come on, ఇది అబ్బబ్బా
Okay,
అంతే.
I'll stop this. I think slowly, I'm an introvert. I'm very shy. So I think it's not, I've not overcome it overnight, but I'm a lot better than where I was. So I think it's a constant sort of progression to sort of go
Open
out,
up and be a
open
little
up,
more
meet people, socialize a bit.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you could swap your life from characters you've played, which character would you choose?
From characters I've played, which character would I choose? I was telling you about my whole retirement plan, no? So even in Premam, I think the third character I play a chef who owns a restaurant and all that. So something on those
Oh,
lines. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, last గా ఒక క్వశ్చన్ నేను మర్చిపోయాను. నిన్న మీరు ఓవర్సీస్ ప్రింట్ చూసారు కదా, మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది, ఏమనిపించింది?
సినిమా చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. లాస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అయితే టూ గుడ్ అనిపించింది. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలా, బట్ ఓవరాల్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ ఎస్ థ్రిల్డ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ది ఆడియన్స్ టు వాచ్.
All right, looks like we have finished all the questions. This has been fun.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You Samrat garu.
Thank you, Mana Sai Pallavi, lady superstar. Thank you so much.
All right, Feb 7th ki I'll see you. All
Yes,
right.
Feb 7.
Bye.